Welcome to the learning resource on setting up cyber cafe and documentation center as a small business. In this presentation, we cover the topic of marketing and promotion of your cyber cafe and documentation center business. Now, firstly, you should know that what is a cyber cafe and documentation center, how the term cyber cafe is defined. As we go through the provisions of the Information Technology Act of India, the term cyber cafe means any facility from where access to the internet is offered by any person in the ordinary course of business to the members of the public. Cyber cafe is a facility comprising of computers, internet connection, and other computing resources. So, as the owner of cyber cafe, you would be providing services of internet access to the members of the public, and the customers will be paying you for availing these services. Normally, these charges are based on time of usage of internet. A cyber cafe provide internet and data communication infrastructure to the persons. So cyber cafe business involves setting up of internet access and data communication infrastructure. The entrepreneur can set up such facilities in an appropriate space either owned by him or rented. In modern times, we see a growth in electronic services, that is e-services, the cyber cafes as the internet access points or the public interface terminals are becoming a viable business options. Some services like online job applications, online admission form submission, e-ticket booking, etc. are available on the internet. The cyber cafe owner can provide such facilities in his center also. The marketing for the cyber cafe and documentation center is one of the very important activity. The success of any marketing strategy lies in detailed planning and execution. To promote your business, apart from attracting new customers, your first and foremost need is to have a solid plan for the marketing. Your plan should focus on retaining and rewarding your existing loyal customers. Your existing customers would be helpful in creating a good word of mouth, much needed to attract new customers and differentiate yourself from your competition. Before undertaking any kind of promotional activity, the primary task is to have a comprehensive idea of your catchment area. That is, the area around the cafe from where you get your customers. The entrepreneur can promote the business in the neighborhood locality through the local advertisements, banners, newspaper pamphlets, etc. Having a detailed understanding of your catchment area will help you to understand and choose the exact marketing activity for the target audience and make your efforts successful. Knowing your customers well and profiling them will help you in planning and implementing specific activities for specific profile categories and thus increasing the success rates of your campaign. Depending upon your catchment area and customers, you can plan a strategy to promote your business. Customer relationship skills are also very important in attracting new customers as well as retaining the old customers. The entrepreneur can offer specific services to the loyal customers such as offers, discounts, etc., for the promotion of the business. You can run customized promotional offers for customers based on different customer profiles like special student offers, senior citizen discounts, housewife discounts, etc. The entrepreneur can also start the membership program for the customers. You can launch various membership programs such as free trial memberships or family memberships for existing customers. This will increase the loyalty of your customers. Cross promotional advertisement with other local businesses will also help to get new customers. Creating customized mailers, flyers, pamphlets, and other distribution material will help in bringing fresh walk-ins. Local media outlets such as radio, local newspaper, cable, community magazine can increase your visibility. Offer discounts or coupons to frequent visitors. You can also arrange competitions or rewards or create membership clubs for the frequent customers. Regular surveys, customer feedbacks, etc. can help bring betterment in the business and in turn act as promotional activity also. The entrepreneur can also provide certain value added services to the customers, namely e-ticket booking, photo scanning, e-filing of application forms, resume writing and printing, project report preparation, educational services, mobile recharge and payment of utility bills, etc. To run a successful cyber cafe, you need to expand your offerings beyond just providing internet access to your customers and ensuring that your customers will spend more money with you. By selling more products and attracting new customers throughout the day, you will be better positioned to bring in revenue from a variety of sources. The value added services is one of the idea that you can implement. The customers coming to your cafe can range from first time users to gamers to media enthusiasts to students to entrepreneurs to housewives and more. More customers in the door will give you more opportunities to generate potential revenue through access fees, business products, and other value added services. So, you can provide some services like business correspondence and presentation services, printing, faxing, scanning services, and other computer support services. By increasing your customer base, you have to ensure that your existing customers keep coming back and you are successful in attracting new customers with new services and offerings. Expanding your customer base is a great way to open doors to new potential revenue opportunities. By examining different types of customers that you could serve, you will be able to identify additional services you can add to make your business more successful. Once your business is matured enough, you can provide utility services, you can provide financial products such as credit card, insurance leads, share application facilitation, and make good revenue earning opportunity for your cafe. You can attract first time users to your cyber cafe by implementing various type of computer training and support activities. You can help your first time customers develop the essential skills they need to begin computing with confidence by providing computer training and support. Doing this will benefit your business in multiple ways. Firstly, you would be able to increase your PC occupancy during weekdays when a majority of these potential customers would visit your cafe. Secondly, you will be viewed in the locality as a trusted advisor to these customers, capturing their loyalty. A comfortable, friendly environment would be helpful to attract first time users. An A to Z Internet Cafe glossary of terms including abbreviations, shortcuts, internet etiquettes, applicable cyber laws, and do's and don'ts pasted before PCs can help customers. You could provide your customers with a full range of online courses that teach basic computer concepts and skills. You can also organize a special internet learning course, especially for housewives, during the afternoons and show them the recipe sites or sites which would help them to assist their children for homework, etc. You could call in elderly people of the locality for discussion on how internet can be beneficial for them. So in this presentation, we have covered some of the very important marketing and promotional activity aspects for Cyber Cafe and Documentation Center business. Thank you.